There we go. Alright, today we're putting no seat in. Brought my own tools because I'm tired of his bum ass shit. Got the impact going. What size are the bolts on the back of it?
14s, I think. 14 and a 17.
Why'd they do two different sizes?
Nice little Daytona bucket seat, eh, buddy?
A Daytona Eva. We bought this in an up garage. It was like 70 bucks. Put it in the container, then we got it back here and Noah's like, I want that. So yeah, Noah got it. It's got the sick Wackos or Wacos sticker on the back. And the Daytona sticker. I really like this older style of bucket seat. They're way more comfortable because like the padding on them is kind of thick. And they don't hug you like a bride does. Because I got fucking scoliosis, man. That shit fucks with it. But yeah. Ow. Noah got me this for my birthday one year.
That was a while ago.
Socket set, yeah. I've been using it ever since, man.
Nice, man.
Alright, let's bust the seat out. Holy fuck, ain't it? Oh shit. Okay. One battery down. Fuck, I don't think I charged my batteries either. Because why would I? Alrighty then. Let's keep these bolts somewhere safe. You already know we're gonna lose the shit out of them. Shut up, man. Alright, pull this whole lot of bullshit out. I think these are 14s too, aren't they?
Yeah. 14s or 17s, I can't remember.
Now we're gonna pull the rail off this old piece of machinery. These are even smaller. So you know what? I take my sockets once I'm done using them and I put them back. Am I worried this car is not gonna go back together today? Maybe. Alright. We've already made so much progress in the past 2 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna take this rail, put it back so we know some spacing on it.
That was a bit fucked. Just a no guard on the fucking disc grinder.
It's alright.
Hate those things, man.
These are fucking dangerous.
Okay, well, we're pretty much making brackets because we gotta space the seat up like an inch higher than the stock seat. Cause
It's also narrower than it's way narrower than the stock seat, so we gotta come in a bit.
yeah, no doubt, eh?
You have a hammer?
Yep.
So here at Moist Boys, it's either the wrong tool or no tool. So Noah doesn't have a hammer for some reason, so we're gonna use this weight. So it's going one way now.
Fucking custom fab work, hit us up.
Yeah. It's whatever.
Straight out of my garage.
Hammer it out. Alright. Okay, we got these two. They look pretty mint, professional. Now we gotta do it again for the rear ones. It's gonna look like shit, man. But that's alright. Alright, as you can see, we bent up these sick ass brackets. So now we're just gonna try to drill some holes in them. We've just been using the wrong tool. Noah didn't have a hammer, so I was using like a dumbbell. Just fact. using liquid wrench as cutting oil here because it's the wrong tool. Alright, so there you go. As you can see, that random piece of metal we found in Ben's shop. We cut it, bent it up, drilled some holes in it, so it's like this. Hopefully, these will kind of line up with this. And then we can swell them on. We'll see, man. Make sure this shit is aligned. We're gonna hammer this into the ground here.
Jesus, man. Just welding on the front lawn, hey?
No doubt. I put the big one on the front. Alright, this shit's fairly on there. Good enough. Let's see if it lines up. Chances it lines up, slim to none.
Doing everything with the wrong fucking tools and the wrong fucking size.
Yeah. It's kind of our thing though.
Yeah, no doubt.
Kind of our kink, man. Oh. Wait, where's the bolts for this? Right, first sit.
First sit, man. This thing's rickety as fuck. Hopefully it doesn't break.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't break yet.
Oh, it's real nice, man.
See, this way with using the stock rail, we can still have the slider.
I mean, decently solid.
Yeah. Let me try, man.
Alright, man.
No, it feels very solid. Feels pretty good, man. That's nice, man.
Snug as a bug, man.
Yeah, look at the slider action.
Don't break it, man.
Look at that, man. Look at that mobility, man. That's sick. That was a nice mod, man.
Yeah, that kind of went fucked, but it worked out in the end, so.
Yeah.
You want to shut it down, man?
Yeah. Alright, there you go. The front wheels just came in for the 180 like an hour ago. So we might test fit all 4 wheels soon with tires on. Could be kind of sick. What else?
That's it, man.
Yeah, comment your favorite Nestle product. Could be some drinks, could be some hot chocolate, man.
Yeah, also sorry for the lack of sustenance on this video. When shit goes fuck, we don't really like to film, so.
Yeah, we had a lot of problems, and it's just like you just want to get it over with. So yeah, sorry about it. Sorry about it, buddy. But yeah, comment your favorite Nestle product. Like the video, it helps out a lot. If you want to buy some merch, the link is in the description. World's best air fresheners are there. www.moistboys.myshopify.com or link in the description. And yeah, subscribe if you aren't already for more dickery. Hickory dickory dock. Mouse went up the cock. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Skidoo, man.